Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use ClickUp for finance management. So here I am in my ClickUp homepage, and ClickUp is a very useful application to use so that you can create your own workspaces and then edit them according to your needs for your personal life or for your business. So for example, right here, I want to use ClickUp for finance management. What we can do is that we can use a template for us to use a workspace immediately. So instead of creating a workspace from scratch, you can just use a template here in ClickUp so that you don't need to worry about everything about creating a new workspace. So from here, we will go to spaces and then click on the plus button right here that says create space. And then we will use the template for finance management. So I already have it here. So just type in finance management in the search bar, and then we have our finance management workspace template right here. So just click on it and then click on use template, and then you can change the space name if you want, but I will just use the default space name. And then we have the import options. You can choose to import everything, or you can import specific features right here, but I will just import everything. For the dates, you can choose to import as is, or you can remap the date into a specific date that you want. And then for this one, do you want to include archive tasks? We have three options. We have the no option. We have yes, include archive tasks, and then yes, include and unarchived tasks. But I will just click on no. And then click on use template. Then we will wait for this to finish. Here is the activity log, and it says here that the finance management space is still being created. So it is still in pending mode. So we will wait for this to finish. Now the workspace has finished creating. We now have the finance management workspace right here. And as you can see, we have different folders right here. We have management for our sales folder, and you can edit the specific items in the quotes list and then the invoices list. So by using the template, you already have this quotes list already created for you. So you just need to edit the specific information right here according to your own preferences. So for the to-do list, we have company Charlie, so you can click on it to show more information. And then you can just edit this information according to your own needs. Then going back, we have the ready for submission. And then if you want to change a status of a task, you can just click on the circle right here and then choose if you will change it to approval, signed, or submitted to customer. You can also choose customer rejected or customer accepted. And then you can have the different services right here, and then you can add more options. You have the assignee column, the priority column. For example, if you click on this, you can choose a priority for that specific task. And then you also have the products right here, billing address, email, company phone, quantity, and total cost. So just edit this into your own preferences so that you can use this personally. And then you have the invoices right here. So we have the invoices list to prepare, invoice sent, partially paid, fully paid, and then canceled. And then we have the expenses folder. We have the payments list, so you can keep track of specific payments. So right here, we have the insurance, legal and professional fees, meals and entertainment, office expenses, travel expenses, and utilities. So if you want to add another one, you can just add more tasks and then add more statuses. And then we have the purchase orders. We have the reimbursements list. we have the products and services list. So here is the product list, and then here is the services list. You also have a document right here that says start here. So this document right here is kind of like a summary of the whole finance management workspace, so that you know how to use this workspace right here. So just read this and follow the information right here so that you can edit the workspace into your own personal workspace. And that is it. That is how we use ClickUp for finance management. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.